Hello everyone and welcome to the Nextech Mind. Today we are going to learn about HTML language. Firstly, what is HTML? What is the full form of HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is used to create and structure of web pages and web applications. It forms the backbone of most web content by defining the structure and layout of the web page through a series of elements and tags. Let's move towards the history of HTML. The first version of HTML was written by Tim Berners-Lee in 1993. Since then, there have been many different versions of HTML. The most widely used version throughout the 20s was HTML 4.01, which became an official standard in December 1999. Why HTML is important? HTML is essential for creating and organizing the web pages. It structures content with elements like headings, paragraphs, and lists. HTML ensures consistent web page display across different browsers and devices. Let's see the applications of HTML language. Web page development, game development, embedded images and videos, offline capabilities, data entry support are some applications of HTML language. Here you can see some features of HTML language: form, style and formatting, scripting language, simple and easy to use, hypertext links, case insensitive, platform independent are the features of HTML language. Advantages of HTML: HTML is lightweighted, therefore it makes websites and applications to load more quickly compared to the other languages. They are very simple, can be integrated with other programming languages like Java, PHP, .NET or Python. No specific software or application is needed to write HTML code. It can be written in Notepad, WordPad or Notepad++. Disadvantages of HTML: HTML is not safe and lack of security is like other languages. Too much code is needed to create a simple website. It has been found that HTML can have dependency issues. There are huge limitations using HTML. In today's video, we have seen what is HTML, history of HTML, importance of HTML, applications of HTML, features of HTML, advantages and disadvantages of HTML. In next video, we will see the basics of HTML tags, attributes and examples of them. If you like the video, then do like, share and subscribe the Nextech Mind channel and press the bell icon for the earliest notification of our HTML video series. Thank you so much.